leather. Oh, gosh. I'll be back tomorrow. Now that we've got everything cleaned up, it's time to put this pump back together.
All right. Well, to do that, I think we should start with a drink. Today we're doing straight samples, just to make sure quality's where it should be. You're doing 4 here.
Oh, let's start with the silver then. If we're going straight samples. Hell yeah. Silver it is.
Now, when's the last time you just sipped on silver? Silver Carolina rum.
Probably more recently than you would imagine. Because this stuff is delicious.
Cheers. All right, so to reassemble this thing, we take our nice, clean, shiny motor.
Guys, this thing looks a lot better than the last time you saw it.
Oh, yeah. So we've got the old carbon seal for the pump head and the old gasket and a washer that went in between the carbon and the shaft. They're in good condition, but I think since we bought a seal kit for this pump, we should go ahead and put a seal pump in.
Bear with us just for a minute. Or you can take a shot with me.
Take Mark, put it back together. She's beautiful.
It's like Statue of Liberty when we first got her as a country. You ever been to the Statue of Liberty? Oh man, it's a good place to go.
It's on my bucket list.
I got to go into the Statue of Liberty recently.
Did you buy her dinner first?
That's a good one. That's a good one. Guys, Robbie just came up with a good one. It's kind of cold these days here in North Carolina. By the way, we're in Belmont, North Carolina, home of Muddy River Rum.
North Carolina's oldest rum distillery.
That's right.
Man, that is pretty. It isn't straight at all.
I mean, I'm straight.
Yeah, you know it looks great. It looks great. No, but I'd
Barely
learn.
lay anything else.
Oh, Statue of
Coming in
Liberty
with the
doesn't say
heater.
that. It's not what Miss Liberty said.
She raised a torch to me. Torch ain't the only thing getting raised. Oh, gee, we're getting kicked off of everything.
Yeah, like YouTube's like, well, I'm sorry. I don't care if they're 21. They can't listen to this perverted nonsense.
It's not that. We require real jokes.
Yeah. You can't just sexually harass the Statue of Liberty in your videos.
Is it consensual, the statue?
This old box from 1970. This pump was certified on January 1st, 1970. And we decided
That's BS,
that's total malarkey.
right?
No one-
Anybody, if you work on January 1st,
You're a terrorist. I'm pretty sure I've worked on January 1st before.
oh yeah, we've all worked on January 1st.
But still, no one certified this pump on January 1st. I don't know if I'm going in the hole or not, but
This thing looks sharp. That stainless on copper looks good. Is that the first time you thought, I don't know if I'm going in the hole or not?
nope. Won't be the last either. Oh yeah. Oh, something's happening. Oh, and we're done. That was fast.
Not the first time he's had that conversation with himself either.
Is that hot in here? Or is that the liquor?
Is it hot in here? Or is that just me feeling uncomfortable?
Okay, so we got the old box back on, nice and painted.
Cable.
Now we need the cable.
Cable. Cavill. Some places.
What did you say? Cavill in some places?
I'm glad it took you that long to pick up on my horrible joke. Alright. On the inside of this cap, we got a wiring diagram.
We're hooking this pump up to,
3-phase, low voltage, right?
yep, low voltage. We're doing 230 volts on this pump. Alright, so we got the thing wired up. Before we close this box up, we want to make sure we've got our polarity right. We've got our line 2 and 3 going in the right direction. So we're just going to stuff that in the box temporarily. And the part I've been really looking forward to, now we're going to mount this thing to a cart. Woo! So I'll set this to the side.
Out of here. Put it over here now.
Let me move this. This is our cart. This is made by our buddy Evan. He is an artist and a tradesman. And this, that's an awesome cart.
It is an awesome car. It looks great.
Yeah. Oh. And it's to tote around this 70-pound monstrosity. I drilled the holes earlier. Hopefully they line up. These little bolts.
Sudden craving for Chinese food.
It does sound really good. right, guys. So we'll next step, test her out, see if it works. Make sure it's spinning the right direction. Put that electrical cover back on it. Cheers.
Cheers, sir. That went over better than I expected.
Mm-hmm.
No, I want to take it apart.
No, it was 5:30 in the morning.
Was it? Oh, it was. And then a lot of shit happened.
Okay, we've got 950 liters of water in a tote tank. Got that hooked up to the intake of our pump. She's all primed, looking good. That prime pump is leading into our mix tank up here. Justin, if you'll do the honors. And she's filling at 25 seconds.
And moving some volume.
It is moving some water. Before we rebuilt it, it was leaking a little bit around that seal. Nothing to write home about, but she's dry as a whistle now. And she sure does look better. I can't get over how amazing that pump card is. Big shout out, thank you to Evan. He's a good buddy of ours. Always willing to help out. You really did a good job on that cart. All right, you hit 125 at 233. So that's 153. 253. No, 153 minus 98.
55.
So that's
5 seconds short of a minute.
yeah. So it's like 55 gallons a minute.
And what was it before? 40?
45. So yeah, we got a little better. Got about 55 gallons per minute. Pretty impressive. So that's cool. Call this a success.